By looking at this image here showing on my screen, you can see I did not make this money alone. Me and my student made this money together trading gold. What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to break down how I made $7,000 trading gold and gold alone. How I made 7K trading gold. So right now, as you guys can see here, right now, we have a support level here, all right? We have, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I trade a break and retest and break and retest alone. I don't trade any other strategy. And if I am making money, my students are making the same money with me. Any trade I take, my student will be taking it. Even if you check our premium signal group history, you can see that any trade I take, they will be taking it also, right? So as you can see here right now, we have a support zone here, right? We have a support zone here. All right, not only a support zone here, what we are seeing there is a morning star, right? What we are seeing there currently is a morning star because of what? We have this black candle here, which signifies the red candle. We have it drop and close below. Then we have this short candle here, and we have the long blue candle engulfing this black candle. That is a morning star, right? And this trade was 1 to 2.5. I was risking 2K here. I was risking 2.5K. This is 1 to 2, and I made 7K trading gold with this strategy. So guys, this is the best trading strategy to trade gold. If I want to break down this trade, we have the gold market dropping, giving us a series of lower lows and a lower highs here, lower lows, then we have a lower high. And price gave us a double bottom, right? Not just a double bottom. My student also took this trade. I was not online, but I dropped the signal for them, all right? They took this selling opportunity all the way to this level. I was not at the chart at that moment, right? So this is how they take the trade. Their stop loss was, I told them to use 50 pip stop loss. You feel me? 50 pip stop loss and let the trade be 1 to 2. I couldn't take the trade because I was not on the chart at that moment. And as you can see here, we have a morning star here. That was how I was able to take this trade. For those of you that don't know it, and now you may ask, why did I hop out at this level and how did I know that the market will be stopping there? Right now, if you can see, we have a resistance zone, which is the double bottom, the double top here, all right? We have we have a resistance zone around this level. Let me show you guys that level. We have a resistance zone. This is the first top. This is the second top before the market drop. And I know that if we have a resistance here, the market may likely stop at this level and start dropping. Now, for those of you that don't know how my strategy works, I trade a break and retest. I trade the support and resistance, and my trading system is break and retest. You feel me? So now, how do I trade a break and retest? First of all, the first thing I do is to look for the trend of the market, where the market is currently heading to. That is the first thing I will do. So let's say if the market is heading to the upside, the market will be giving us a series of what? A series of higher highs and higher lows. We'll have higher highs and higher lows. If the market is heading to the upside, we'll see have a higher highs and what? A higher lows around this level. So as you can see now, we as a trader now, we take advantage. We as a trend trader now, we take advantage of the higher highs, all right? So now the higher highs is our recent resistance. What did the market do here? And if you can see very well, okay, now let's say, what did the market do here? The market was going to the upside, giving us a series of higher highs here. We have these higher highs. This higher highs is our resistance. So the market broke that resistance on, which is like this, and the market pulled back to retest. Now, as a trend trader now, I'll be looking to buy at this level. As a break and retest trader, I'll be looking to buy at this level. Note, guys, I don't just buy just like that. I will wait for my entry candlestick, all right? If you've been following me for a while now, you should know that I use a bullish engulfing and morning star for a buying opportunity and a long wick rejection, all right, for buying opportunity. If I'm talking about wick rejection, I'm talking about a healthy wick rejection like this, which is this one. You can see it there. That's the morning star also at that level. That is the type of wick rejection I will be looking for before I can take my trade. And where I hop out at the next key level, you understand? And if you're talking about the stop loss I use and all of that, the stop loss depends on the market structure, but my minimum SL is 20 pips and my maximum SL is 50 pips, all right? If it's on gold or USD, my minimum XL is 20 points, then my maximum SL is 50 points, all right? If it's USD or NASDAQ, all right? So and right now, as you can see here, the market is still heading to the upside, and as an example here right now, we have a break and what we have a break and a retest. As you can see, this is a buying opportunity for us. You understand? Then I look to buy. As you can see right now, guys, on this trade here, I know that the market will be pulling back to retest at this level. You feel me? I know that, okay, now if the market is making a higher highs and a higher lows, the market will pull back. If the market should give us a higher highs here, a lower highs here, the market should pull back to this level. If the market is turning from this level, then the price will have to get to this level before dropping. But even when price gets to that level, I'm supposed to hop out at this level. But based on what happened here, I decided to hold this trade and see what will happen. And right now it was 1 to 2 because that is my minimum risk to reward. All right. So right now, let me show you guys another simple example of a break and retest right now. As you can see here right now, guys, what do we have here? We have the market heading to the upside, giving us a higher highs and a higher lows, a higher highs and a higher lows. Right now, let me show you guys something real quick. As you can see here, this is our resistance that was broken, right? This is our resistance that was broken, pull back, turn into a, this is our resistance that was broken, turn into a support, right? So as you can see here, it was a resistance that was broken, turn into a support. And right now on that support, then what do we have? We have a bullish engulfing. If I want to enter or if I should take this trade, then I will just have to put my stop loss below at around 25 pips or something. Okay, so let's make it 20 pips if it's 1 to 2. Okay, so let's make it 20 pips stop loss, which is cleared here, which is our minimum stop loss. As you can see, 1 to 2 here. If I refuse to take this trade out, then as you can see here, then I'll be hopping out around this level, but I will be in a little drawdown, which is normal. Do you understand? This is the best trading strategy to use as a trader, right? This is the best trading strategy to use. I'm not trying to discriminate any strategy here, but I'm telling you now that this is the best trading strategy to use. If you look at this support zone here, right now, what do we have? We have a bullish engulfing around this level. Our stop loss will be below here, then our take profit will be around this level. And as you can see, that's a clean 1 to 3 risk to reward, guys. That is a clean 1 to 3 risk to reward, guys. So guys, this is the strategy that me and my student have been using to make money, all right? This is the strategy me and my student have been using to make money, all right? As you can see this level right now, we took this selling opportunity 1 to 3. We took this selling opportunity just now, which is 1 to 5. You can see I took this trade from that long week rejection, that long healthy week rejection that closed above here. If you can look at this level very well right now, you can see that look at this level right now. It's a healthy week rejection. Then I know the market won't be going up anymore. I know the market won't be going up anymore. Yeah. So this is where my stop loss is. My stop loss is 30 pip stop loss. This is a gold market, right? My stop loss is 30. Then this trade is 1 to 5 risk reward, which is clear. And as you can see, we're still waiting for another break and a retest. The market has broken that level already. In the next video, guys, if you're watching this video, then you stay tuned. You turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop next video, which is the second video, which I will be breaking down how I was able to make money trading, also make money trading this setup, all right? So right now, as you can see here, around this level now, we are waiting for the market to get to this level. So guys, that was how I was able to make money trading gold. And this is the strategy we use to make money trading gold. Do you understand? This is the only strategy I use, break and retest. This is the only strategy me and my student use to make money. So guys, before we end this video, if you want to join our mentorship program, you can click on the link in the description box right now to join our mentorship program. If you want to join the one-on-one mentorship program, you can also click on the link in the description box to also join our one-on-one mentorship program. If you want to send me a direct message to ask me questions or to verify something or to make inquiry, you can send me a direct message on Telegram. The link will be in the description box also. And if you want to join our premium private signal room, which is the Profit Town, you can hear the name. It's all about profit, right? So if you want to also join our signal group, you can also send me a direct message on Telegram. So that please do not go search me on Telegram, because there are a lot of scammers there. You feel me? So you just have to click on the link on this video. Then you can send me a message or get our mentorship course or gain access to our private community. All right, guys. If you like this video, I want you to like, comment, then share, and also turn on post notification. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Peace.